Is your liver causing you health problems? Hi, I'm Dr. Crockett, and this is Dr. Crocker with Zeal Integrated Health. And today we're going to talk about this organ that does so many different things for your body. And oftentimes your doctor probably doesn't mention that it might be malfunctioning. A lot of times it's not really even being evaluated. They're not running labs to check this. So it's so important that this liver is working properly and functioning, because it's involved in over 500 different just processes in controlling things in the body. So the terms that you may hear if your doctor has mentioned this are the terms like fatty liver, elevated liver enzymes, a term like NASH. They'll throw out things like this. Non-alcoholic, just liver dysfunction is often termed as a NASH. So what are some of the things that we see occurring with the body, the symptoms that appear when the liver starts to malfunction?
Yeah, there's quite a few things that you're going to find, and a lot of things most people really don't relate back to it. You see things like allergies, skin problems, digestive problems. You're going to have headaches. A lot of times you'll see headaches at the top of the forehead, kind of above the eyes there. Fatigue and joint pain. Those are just a few of the things that you can even find, and then it goes into even more detail from there.
Yeah, you'll start seeing people really struggle with weight loss. They can't detox those fats out of the body, and a lot of those have to process through the liver as you do that. You mentioned headaches. A lot of times they'll get those over the eyes. You just start seeing this chronic fatigue. They're not able to manage energy properly just because this organ is malfunctioning. So there's other things that they'll get pain in certain areas of the body as well.
Yeah, exactly. You'll find a lot of the pain underneath the rib cage, right in through here. You'll see it kind of tender as you press on that. You say, well, how do we even get to this point? What are some of the things that how we get here? Well, we're exposed to so many toxins really on a daily basis, and things from herbicides or pesticides or plasticizers. The plasticizers are things like your plastic bottles. When you put your food in it, you microwave it in a plastic container, you're going to get things of those natures that are going to
drinking out of a plastic water bottle. There's so much water consumed in a plastic water bottle. I can't even say that word today. And ultimately, the BPA's that a lot of people are aware of, there's a whole bunch of plastics that are leaking in there that are not BPA related. And the liver is going to be what has to clean those things out.
Yeah. What it says is that we consume over 10 pounds of food additives in each year. Well, when you're consuming those things, your liver has to handle those. And if your liver is not functioning correctly, you're not going to be able to get those food additives out, and you're going to end up with some of the other problems that we talked about earlier with the symptoms that you're going to find, and then it's going to end up not being able to perform those functions, those 500 things that it does. It's not going to be able to perform those nearly as well.
Okay, so if your liver is not working right, it's real important to be eating very clean, avoiding a lot of these things, or as many of these as possible, by eating organic and trying to eliminate those preservatives and additives from your intake. Of course, there's environmental toxins in the air and things like that you breathe in and stuff as well, but the more that the food is clean, the less work that liver has to do with what you're taking in, and it can focus more on maybe just really detoxing your body and clearing that. I think the key thing is when you look at detoxification, phase 1 and phase 2 detoxification are occurring in the liver. And if those pathways are not working correctly, then your health is going to start declining. It's just a matter of time. So it's important to get this liver, not just help it clear out the toxins, but let's get it back functioning like it should. And if you would like some help with that, if you're seeing some liver enzymes, lab testing that's showing that your liver's struggling, give us a call here, and remember to like, share, and subscribe below.